Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to upload YouTube videos to TikTok. So first of all, open YouTube and select the video you wish to upload. Now over here you would have to screen record the video you want to add to your TikTok post. So just scroll down to your control panel and then screen record it accordingly. Then open TikTok application and then tap on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. From there, upload a video from your gallery. So this is the video I wish to upload. Then, if you go to the edit option at the right-hand corner from the various options given, you can increase or decrease the length of the video. Like this. You can also crop the video if you wish to. So let's crop the video. Let's crop the side borders of the video. After this, you can tap on next on top and then you can post this video accordingly to your TikTok profile. So this is the only way through which you can upload YouTube videos to your TikTok account. And that's it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.